Hi guys, welcome to my channel The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today's recipe is pasta arrabbiata. This is so cheesy and super yummy guys. I'm making this with wheat semolina pasta. So let's get cooking. So firstly we'll begin with chopping some vegetables. I've taken some broccoli, some bell peppers, capsicum, vior, 18 to 20 pods of garlic cloves. So I'm making this for 5 people, so that's a good amount. I've blanched 10 medium size of tomatoes, made a cross in between, peel off its skin and then ground them into a smooth fine paste. The other thing I'm gonna do over here is boil some pasta. You can take any pasta of your choice. Then I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt to it. Boil it till it's cooked about 75%. So let's prepare the sauce for the pasta now. I've taken about 3 tablespoons of olive oil in a pan and I've added all the garlic which I chopped, and I'm just gonna saute it until it's fragrant. Once that is done, I'm gonna pour the tomato puree into it and cook it for about 15 to 20 minutes until it has a nice boil and it reduces a little. In another pan, I'm gonna saute some broccoli and bell peppers which I'd already kept it aside. So you can add some salt over here if you want. So the tomatoes look done now. I'm just gonna add about 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce because I do not have tomato paste. If you have that, please go ahead with it. Season this with some black pepper and some dried red chilies or chili flakes if you have. Then some oregano, some salt and some salad seasoning. So salad seasoning is optional over here, but it is Italian salad seasoning, so I think it tastes good. So if you have it, go ahead with it guys. So I'm just gonna mix that well so that all the seasoning is mixed into the sauce. Now I'm just gonna add the sauteed veggies into it and mix that well. So guys, if you want, you can use butter instead of olive oil while sauteing the garlic, but I'm not gonna do that over here. And also you can use any choice of pasta you have available. Now I'm adding some water and stirring this nicely so that the sauce, the seasoning and the veggies are cooked through and they get all the flavors. Cover the lid and let it simmer for like 5 minutes. It will start boiling, so you can put a lot of cheese over here. How much ever cheese you like, you can add over here till you reach the desired consistency or creaminess. Then you can add the boiled pasta and mix this well. Stir this well and carefully so that you don't break the pasta for like about 4 to 5 minutes. And then when it's done, I'm just gonna grate some more cheese on top of it because who doesn't love cheese guys? So while the tomatoes were boiling, I've also made some experimental garlic bread. I've just taken some bread slices and cut them like this and toasted them on both the sides equally until light brown. And then I've just taken some butter and crushed garlic into a bowl. Apply that generously on the toasted breads, and there you have it guys. You have your experimental garlic bread ready. It tastes so good with the cheesy pasta. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this recipe. Also check out other recipes on my channel. If you make these, please don't forget to tag me on Instagram. Here is my handle. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.